What's going on, everybody? I am back. This is Gilbert Abraham. Listen, today we're going to talk to property managers. If you own a property management company or you know somebody that owns a property management company, this video is for you. So what I want you to do is grab a pen, grab paper, be ready to take copious notes because I'm going to drop some gems for y'all. Ooh, it's going to be exciting. So before I start, question for y'all. Are you actually managing properties, or are you managing text, email, late rent, maintenance calls, owners updates, tenants complaint all day long? Because guess what? Most property managers don't burn out because of the properties. They're burnt out because tenants calls for everything. They don't have the right system set up. Maintenance requests are scattered. Rent reminders are manual. Owners want constant updates. Move in and move outs are chaotic. And guess what, y'all? In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to use HighLevel to run a property management business step by step, even if you're not technical. You're going to be able to manage everything yourself, or your system, or all duct taped up together. We got y'all, all right? By the end of this video, you know exactly how to centralize tenant communication, automate rent reminders, streamline maintenance requests, and guess what? Reduce owner micromanagement. I know that can be a pain, right? Also, I got 2 creative strategies that I have not heard anybody talk about that I'm going to share with y'all. Y'all ready to get started? Let's dive in. Let's go. Okay, so most property managers rely on phone calls, right? Their phone rings all days. They got text threads coming in, email chain. You know, it's a lot. Just that alone, think about it. You're seeing this all day. Spreadsheets, you got all these things happening and trying to remember stuff. You know, guess what? It works in the beginning, but when you start scaling past a few units, HighLevel turn property management into system, not stress. So you want to think about getting this tool, all right? And guess what? It becomes your central inbox for tenant texts, emails, WhatsApp messages, right? Communicating with some of your contractors, maintenance replies, okay? Make sure these get done on time. Instead of checking 5 different apps, everything lives into one place. Tenants feel heard, owners feels informed, you stay organized. I know this because I also own properties and have hired property management companies. So I know what's going on, all right? This alone changed everything. With a tool like HighLevel, tenants can submit maintenance requests via form or text. Requests get auto-tagged by urgency. Jobs get routed to the right vendor or staff. Status get updated automatically. Tenants stop calling you. Vendors get clear instruction on what needs to be done. And you stop being the middleman. You let the system do the work for you. All right? Because you think about this, HighLevel lets you automate move-in instructions as well, right? So you can do lease reminders, you can do inspection scheduling, right? You can have a move-out checklist that gets sent to the tenants directly. Security deposit timelines, right? You also can have every step happen automatically, so you're not scrambling, you're not missing steps, you have a system running properly. Okay, I'll give you another one. Property managers, they hate chasing rent. You can have HighLevel send out rent reminders, late notices, follow-ups, confirmation messages. Tenants get notified, payments come in faster, you stay professional, not personal. Okay, a small residential property manager, let's say they have about 60 units. I'm just giving you guys an example to see how this works. Constant tenants calling, owners demanding updates, right? After setting up HighLevel, guess what that can happen for that 60 unit that this property manager is managing? Maintenance requests become automated, owners receive weekly reports, tenant communication drop by 40 to 50%. Same properties, same tenants, way less chaos because you have systems in place making this work for everybody else. And I'm going to give you 2 creative strategies that I don't hear a lot that I think can be super helpful if you're a property manager. Get ready to take notes right here. One is the tenant self-service portal without extra software, right? Instead of answering the same questions daily, HighLevel lets you create a tenant onboarding flows, FAQ via automation, lease info reminders, maintenance instruction, so tenants learn where to go first. You stop being tech support, all right? Strategy number 2, automated owner confidence report. Owners don't want details. I know I don't. They just want peace of mind, right? So you can use HighLevel to send weekly or monthly owners update, occupancy summaries, maintenance status, rent collection confirmation. Owners feel informed, and this reduces churn more than discount ever will. All right, and guess what? You don't need to know how to do any of this. In our firm, we have a team of virtual assistant that knows how to set up all this system, that can log maintenance requests, send updates, manage calendars, support onboarding, manage that system for you after they set it up. You stop hiring expensive admin staff, you start scaling with very, very little overhead. All right. So if you want fewer tenant calls, faster rent collection, cleaner operation, happier owners, a system that runs without you, HighLevel becomes your operating system. So what I'm doing is I'm giving you a 30-day free trial to use HighLevel to get all this stuff set up. Plus, you get a free strategy call with our team where we can help plug in one via to help set up the system and the automation, another one to manage it. All you have to do, click the link below, book your strategy call, and also book your free 30-day trial. Take advantage of this right away. See you in the next one. Cheers.